Bye-bye. Hello. Lang ba? Hello. 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 Part 1. Hello. Pangangwa ni Sunshine. Halo Rika.
Sa mga bago pa lamang sa aking channel, subscribe, like, and comment. Charlie Pinto from Bigan City, Ilocos Sur. Salamat po. Yamanak.
Employment and livelihood programs in the province of Ilocos Sur. Kaya naman po, as always, we are recognizing the province and of course the PESO, Public Employment Service Office, for their support to the various programs of the government. We also have our livelihood programs implemented here, Tupan and Kabuhayan program. Alam niyo po that DOLE recognizes job fair as one of the Department of Labor and Employment. We're also appreciative to our participating employers here, local and overseas, for their regular support to the conduct of the
Sa mga bago pa lamang sa aking channel, subscribe, like, and comment. Charlie Pinto from Bigan City, Ilocos Sur. Salamat po. Yamanak.
sa hangarin ng Region Ilocos Sur para mas tiyak natin at masiguro natin na mas marami tayong kababayan.
Pinamahal yung isang mga tao na si Lord Jeremias.
Pamalan natin ng sa job seeker. Napaka-cute. Anong tinapos mo sa college?
Business ad, sir.
Business administration? Anong school?
Human resources.
Ngayon, nag-apply ka ng trabaho. Anong trabaho ina-applyan mo?
Service. Available, sir.
Ayan. Sa ngayon, may nag-place na ba na matanggap ka sa trabaho? Okay, salamat. Makapalan pa natin ang ilan pa sa mga aplikante ng job fair. Madam, anong apply mo dito?
Call center po.
Ano?
Walang call center po.
Ayan. Anong natapos mo sa college or ano?
Graduate po ako sa Associate in Office Management na course po.
So, may in-apply ka ng kumpanya rito?
Wala pa po kakadating ko lang po.
Sa mga bago pa lamang sa aking channel, subscribe, like, and comment. Charlie Pinto from Bigan City, Ilocos Sur. Salamat po. Yamanak.
Meralco Industrial Engineering Services Corporation and Staff Search Asia Service Cooperative.
Ilang taon ka na? 44 years old. Ano ang apply mo rito sa job fair? Anong trabaho ang applyan mo? Ano? Anong trabaho?
Mag-apply sana ako engineer, boss.
Ay, support mo.
Previous. Galing akong abroad.
Ay, galing ka na abroad. Okay. So, mag-apply ka rin sa lokal or abroad din?
Parehas. Makama ka tsamba.
Okay.
Center and industry partners. Your investment in skills development in an investment in the future of our workforce. You are the bridge between education and employment. Providing real-world opportunities to our graduates to apply their skills, grow their careers, and contribute to the growth of our nation. To the educators and institutions, you are the heart of this movement. Your dedication to
Compliance Center. Nag-ayos sila ng mga empleyado na. Sir, may mga nag-apply na ba sa table mo?
Good morning po sir, Mr. Charlie Pinto. Ayan, so wali good morning sir po. Bali may ongoing na rin po ako sir na nag-fill up sir. So nag-apply po yung isa sir as technician po. Yung isa naman is product specialist for Bantay at saka sa Narvacan branch po sir. And hoping sir na mahal ko din sila sir. Hired on the spot.
As of now, wala pang na-hire on the spot.
Sila sir, hoping sir na sila yung ma-hired on the spot ko po sir.
Okay, salamat.
PIC Authentication, Certificate of Registration Authentication, Continuing Professional Development, State Board Verification, Exam Application Processing and Issuance, as well as the authentication for board rating and board passing certification and regulatory services within our province.
Yan ang signing of the Memorandum of Agreement.
This will enable PRC to conduct mobile services as part of its initiatives to efficiently extend its services to clients in remote and underserved areas, facilitating.
Yan, magpapamassage lang tayo ng saglit lang. Ito'y bahagi rin ng serbisyo ng provincial government ng Ilocos Sur para sa job fair dito mismo sa Farmers Center ng Bigan City, Ilocos Sur. Ito may libreng gupit din sa job fair. Libreng massage din. Ayan, libreng manicure, pedicure. Yan, libreng pedicure din.
Good morning and thank you for joining us for our
Libre manicure. Take 3. Ayan, ito di Akoy. Gabi yan, Gabi. Product ng Aklan Municipality. Daludal, when Akoy, unami diya ito ta. Laya ng interior. Yan, mga kakanin ng Tagudin, Ilocos Sur. Magsinggal.
The incident is a testament to the commitment of the provincial government of Ilocos Sur.
Sa YouTube. Longganisa bus. Hello. Bagnet.